Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. It's officially my last day in beautiful Gambia. Yes, today I leave. I took it easy this morning, just relaxed, took it all in and said goodbyes. It's been emotional, overwhelming, leaving so many people and some truly special people behind. It was not easy, but I'll be back, no doubt about that, because these past 5 days have been unforgettable. Gambia, thank you for the love, the culture, the sunshine and the healing. Now come with me as I journey back to the UK. Back to my 5 boys. So I know the boys have missed me. The calls every day, the brotherly banter, even having to shout down the phone. It never ends for a mother. But I'm ready. I feel revitalized, recharged, and I'm heading back to the beautiful chaos of my boys. Goodbye, Gambia. I'll miss you.
Yeah.
Sir, you can come over.
Bye.
Hey guys, so I'm literally just waiting in a business lounge for my plane right now to go back to the UK, and it's been really nice. Look at me, I think I've got a tan, so that's good. Got a tan, definitely caught a tan, which I wanted to. Not only that, I've had a great time. I'm missing everybody already. I actually want to be back. So it is true what they're saying. When you do come, you want to come back. But to be honest with you, I don't think I had a long enough time like I should have. Like, I only spent 5 days, and I think I should have spent about a week or two. Everyone was like, "You're going already?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I know. I've got kids at home." So I will be bringing them next time. That's if there is a next time. No, there will be a next time. I just mean, like, holiday-wise. Who knows? I do want to come back again. I've been hot. I've took as much content as I can. Probably not enough because I've just been enjoying myself. He wants to always have their phone out. If I had a camera person now, that would be different. But I've had a great time, and yeah, so I'm about to board my plane in the next hour. And then, yeah, back to the UK I come to my boys. I've had a great time, and I thank everybody I've met along the way. And literally, think it's just, you gotta give thanks in it. Like, I'm just having a quick check-in because my 5 days here has been absolutely amazing. I've done everything I planned to do because I needed to sort the things out, so I've done all that. And then I had a little bit of relaxation time and I see my friends. So I'm good. I am happy. I just want to be back. I'm literally, I think I was emotional. Like, I was emotional when I first left. I'm not going to lie. Been a bit of an emotional day, but anyway, like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Ready for takeoff. Okay, can we talk about how I felt like the plane wasn't even moving for a good 15 to 20 minutes? I was sitting there like, are we still on the runway? Is this a hovercraft now? I know, planes can't hover. But I'm just saying, the way it felt like we were frozen in the sky had me questioning everything. How beautiful. Nearly back home. Tell me what you see, guys. Drop down in the comments below and tell me what you see. Let's get to it. And then the clouds. Let's talk about clouds. What even are they really? I'm looking out the window thinking, how are we above the clouds? And then when you get to it, how are we literally inside a cloud? We literally go inside a cloud and we come out of it like it's nothing ever happened. Just wait for it, guys. We are going to experience going in the cloud. The view is so beautiful. You've just got to admire the view. Ooh, we turning. Oh guys, are you ready? Come on, let's enter the clouds together and then exit. It's giving. It's giving heavenly vibes. Or just cotton wool in the sky. Either way, I'm here for it. Here we go. Drop down in the comments and tell me what you think inside. Oh, we're wobbly. It's powerful. Turbulence. Ooh, we're going at it again. Thank you for joining me on this final part of my Gambia journey. This is episode 5, the final chapter for now. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed traveling with me. More adventures, motherhood moments and self-care goodness coming soon. Love you all. Let's go home. it's time to collect my baggage and I'm waiting. I'm waiting. So guys, I am back and I'm driving to go get my kids. Come back and straight to normality, guys. Like literally straight back to normality. Picking baby up first. I'm so excited to see baby, and I just want to see how he's gonna act. So yeah, I'm back home, guys, and I feel like I've got a nice tan, so it's nice. I look golden. I don't look ashy. Still look like I'm sweating, but I'm actually not sweating. It's just the way I look now. Anyway, so going to get my boys back to normal, guys. Off holiday and back to mama routine. And I had a beautiful time. Hello.
Hi.
Let me talk about mama. Yeah, at nursery. Yeah. This time my baby gets excited for nursery now. Yeah. Say nursery. Nursery time. Nursery time. Yeah. Love you. I love you. You love it, baby. You love it. Are you ready? Yeah. Mommy. Okay. You're walking today. Come on, then you're gonna walk today. You bait your chunky butt. Come on now. Guys, when I say I've just come back off holiday and the sun is nice and out like I'm on holiday again when I've come back home. So you just gotta give thanks, you know, guys. I swear to God, you gotta give thanks because I feel good. When